In this video, I'll be comparing TickTick and Structured, two apps that help you plan your day but with very different styles. So which one is better? So for Structured, it is a visual planner that lays out your entire day hour by hour. It's designed to look like a timeline, making it easy to see when your next task starts. It is ideal for users who want a clean interface and enjoy time blocking at a glance. However, it is limited to task scheduling and doesn't include features like habit tracking or deeper analytics. TickTick, on the other hand, it includes a timeline view along with many additional tools. You can track habits, use a Pomodoro timer, organize tasks by folders and tags, and manage both tasks and events in a single app. It also allows smart filters and recurring tasks with more control over how your schedule is structured. If you only need a visual hourly layout, then structured would work well as well. But if you would want an all-in-one productivity tool that grows with your workflow, then TickTick offers more depth and flexibility. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.